Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to create a poll in Mentimeter, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know and how to fully customize it. So let's climb in. So to begin creating your poll in Mentimeter, we're going to go over to, from your homepage on the left-hand side, My Presentations. And right here, you can click on the plus icon that says New Menti. Let's go and click on this. It'll take us through to the following page where we can start creating our poll. Now, there's a few ways of doing this. We are going to start from scratch. However, you can also use a template. You can also import slides as a PDF file, upload it as a PowerPoint presentation, or from Keynote. Let's go ahead and click on Start from Scratch, and you'll see there are a bunch of options. Of course, what we're going to be using here is multiple choice to create a poll. So let's go ahead and click on multiple choice, and this is what a slide looks like. A slide is one particular question, including its answers. So on the left, you can click on New Slide. That'll create a second question, and from here, in the main section of your page, you can click on this Ask Your Question here. So we are going to add our question in. Do you like to eat ice cream on your hot dog? Now, we can customize the font color. We can also do a few other basic formats over here. And then we can also go to this bottom section. And this is where our options or our poll answers will be. You can change the visualization of what it actually looks like. So over here on the right, you can have it as the bar chart, a donut, pie chart, and even dots, as you can see here. Just below that, you can also show percentages, and then you can add your options. So let us add our options. Here are our options, and for this particular poll, we don't want to add in the choose correct answer. Now, if we do, it would not be a poll, but it would be a multiple choice question or a quiz. So we're going to leave that turned off, so the poll results will not show yes, you're incorrect, or no, you are incorrect. We can also add some additional options here if we would like, and then you can also have the option to select multiple options, and then we can show responses live, and we can go and up to the top we can change the interactivity, so we can add reactions, we can enable questions and answers, which would be added to this poll. So if somebody wants to add a question here, you will see that. And then you can enable the live chat, which is just at the bottom. Now, once you are happy with your poll, we're going to go up to the top and you'll see a few options. The first thing before you start to present your poll is to preview it. It's the little eyeball icon. Let's click on that eyeball icon, and this is what you will see. On this page over here, you will see this is what your poll looks like. You'll also see that this is labeled as the presenter screen, which would be you. And then you'll see on the right-hand side the audience screen. So this is how people will see it on their mobile device or whatever other device they are using. You can also see that it is interactive. So let's say that you would like to test this out. Let's click on yes. We do like to eat ice cream on our hot dog, and you can click on submit. You'll now see that this is what will come up after the submission. And over here, you will see this is the result. You can also click on this show test responses up at the top, and it'll give you a bit of an idea of what your poll can look like. Now, once you're completely happy with this, you can use the X on the top right hand side of the screen. You will now exit the preview mode, and on the top right, you can click on present, and you can present your poll.